said, follow that train. Hopefully they're talking to this tie-down freight. Hey, rail fans at the Cajon Pass. We have got a Z train eastbound main track number 1. We're at the Cajon Summit. We've been up here about a half hour, and this is our 4th intermodal, our 3rd one eastbound. So I'd really like to get this freight train. Getting a little IM'd out here. Still a little bit cool out here. The sun's starting to warm us up a little bit. It's about 11 a.m. maybe. Got a cool breeze blowing. I'm shivering a little bit. Whole bunch of containers on and trailers on utility spine cars, aka piggybacks. We're talking on the radio, but it's really has a lot of interference. All right, railroad fans, Cajon Pass, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends. You'll find the link for Patreon in the description of every video. If you want to make a pledge and help us that way, we'd love to have you on board. We also have Super Thanks Now. All right, we will flip it back on as soon as something happens. Hopefully this train will untie. Love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. They're revving it up. They're gonna go. They just revved it down now. Maybe making sure there's air in the brakes. All right, we'll switch it back on if something happens. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.